Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ali's Learner Academy. Best way to learn. In our last video, we have discussed about cells, their types, unicellular and multicellular organisms. In this video, we are gonna talk about eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Eukaryotes are organisms which contain eukaryotic cell, while prokaryotes are organisms which contain prokaryotic cell. Mostly prokaryotes are unicellular. Mostly prokaryotes, not mostly, but always prokaryotes are unicellular. Um, Eukaryotes are both unicellular and multicellular. These words, eukaryote and prokaryotes, have the meaning inside. Like pro means before, eu means true, and karyon means nucleus. So, pro before and karyon nucleus, before nucleus. Prokaryotic means before nucleus. So, a cell which lacks nucleus. Okay? The cell there is no nucleus. While eukaryotic, eu means true, karyon means nucleus. So eukaryotic means true nucleus. In eukaryotic cell, there is nucleus present inside a nuclear membrane. Okay, in eukaryotic cells, there are some organelles present. In prokaryotic cell, there is no organelles like eukaryotic have. Now, let's talk about some similarities. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, or sometimes called cell membrane, is present in both type of cells, eukaryotic and prokaryotic as well. Basic function of cell membrane is to protect the cell, holds the cell components inside the cell. Okay. Cytoplasm is another similarity present in both type of cells. It is a fluid present inside the cell in which different organelles floats. And DNA is present in both type of cells. As there is no nucleus in prokaryotic cells, so DNA is present in a nucleoid region. While in eukaryotic cell, DNA is present inside the nucleus. DNA is a genetic material. It is present in both type of cells because the basic function of cell is to take in food, reproduce, and get rid of waste. So DNA is present in both, must be present in both type of cells. Okay, because it is a genetic material involved in reproduction. And exactly like this, cell membrane is present in both. Different organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, these organelles are only present in eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cells, there are no organelles. These organelles are membrane-bounded organelles. While ribosomes are present in both type of cells, but in eukaryotic cells, their size are larger. In prokaryotic cells, these are smaller in size. So let's have a look in this Venn diagram. In center, we have some similarities here. Eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are smaller, prokaryotic cells are smaller in size, while eukaryotic cells are larger. Prokaryotic cells are simple. Eukaryotic cells are more complex. Prokaryotic cell is simple, but their cell membrane is complex than eukaryotic cell membrane. There is no nucleus in prokaryotes, while eukaryotic cell contain nucleus. No organelles. Eukaryotic have different organelles. Unicellular organisms, prokaryotes are always unicellular organisms, while eukaryotes are sometimes unicellular and multicellular both. That's all about cells and prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. For more interesting videos, like and subscribe my channel, Ali's Learner Academy. Thank you.